Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is C. He doesn't like coffee. Choose the correct form of the verb. And the correct answer is C, had started. By the time we arrived, the movie had started.
Select the correct preposition. The correct answer is B, since. She has been living in London since 2015.
Choose the correct modal verb. The answer is B. You must wear a helmet when riding a bike, because it's the law.
Which sentence uses the passive voice? The answer is C. A delicious meal was cooked by the chef. The emphasis is on the meal and not on the person who's cooking it. Part 2. Fill in the blanks. The answer is were. I would take the job if I were you.
The correct answer is had finished. She said that she had finished her homework already. The words said and already put the action in the past.
The answer is met. They met up last Friday for Julie's birthday. Last Friday puts the action in the past.
The answer is, had been working. He had been working on this project for 2 months before he quit. There are 2 actions, one happening before the other action. Both actions were in the past.
Part 3. Error correction. Knew should be know. He didn't know the answer to the question. Are should be replaced by is. Everyone is invited to the meeting. Then should be replaced by to. I prefer tea to coffee. How did you do? Did you get them all correct? Thank you for taking part and watching.